Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harinder Kaur. As you already have seen, the title of today's video is regarding how to make the roses. For this we need a drawing, acrylic colors, mixing palette, a tissue, brushes and pencil. Let's start the video. First, take any color which you want to practice in a mixing palette. With the help of brush, you can use a spatula. After that, clean the brush with the help of water. And dry it with the help of a tissue. Then take the actual brush which you are going to use and take the product on the tip of the brush. Always try to keep the product only on the tip of the brush. The color should be very less amount and start with a bracket. The first step is to make the rose is a bracket. Then again a bracket. The gap between the bracket should be very less. As you can see, the upper face and the lower face of the bracket is open. To cover it, we will start with the next petal. Start from the center and cover it from the sides of our first petals. Again start from center and go around our first petals. Now it's a guideline for our second petals. Now make it from a center point a broad, a very thick, and side corners make very thin. Center point should be thick and side corners should be thin. Now start from the down. Again make a guideline. Center point should be thin. Now make the center point thick and side corners should be thin. Now start from the sides of the flowers. Center point should be thick and side corners should be thin. Now do the same on the other side. Again start it from the down. The side corner should be very near the first petal. Otherwise it will show the gap between the petals. Same process from the upper point. Make a guideline. Then center point should be thick and side corner should be thin. To make it more attractive, we can add some leaf with it. Take a green color and start to make the leaf. If you don't know how to make the leaf, first off start with the simple line, then start making the brackets with it from both sides. Center line should be a guideline and sides, from the side make it brackets, then fill the color in it. And make some a point for look it to make it more natural. That's it. If you are a beginner and you have to have a problem with a brush, then you can also practice with the pencil. In the same process, start with the center point making a bracket. Then the sides of the bracket begin the second petal. Make a guideline. Then the center point of the petal should be thick and the side corners of the petal should be thin. Same as a down. Make center point thick and fill the petal. From side make a guideline, then center point thick and side corners thin. Follow the same process. Same from the down. Always remember to end the petal very near to the previous petal so that it covers the space between the petals. Make the center point broad and side corners very thin and fill the color in it. From upper point. Once the pattern is clear to you, then start with the brush and acrylic colors. In this video, I just have given the demo of the pattern of the roses. The full-fledged demo of the petal will be given in my next video. Now make the leaf in it to make it look more attractive. And same as fill the petal with the help of pencil. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If it is helpful for you, then like the video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.